Social norms are unwritten rules of behavior that guide actions within a particular society or social group. These norms govern how people should behave in various situations, influencing everything from personal interactions to societal institutions. They play a crucial role in maintaining social order, cohesion, and stability. Descriptive norms refer to the prevailing behaviors or actions within a social group. They indicate what is commonly accepted in a given context. If most people in a community recycle their waste, recycling becomes a descriptive norm. Injunctive norms specify what is perceived as socially appropriate behavior. They represent the perceived approval or disapproval of certain actions within a society. For instance, if littering is frowned upon, it reflects an injunctive norm against littering. Norms provide a sense of cohesion and unity within social groups, establishing shared expectations of behavior. They help individuals understand their roles and obligations within the group and facilitate cooperation and coordination. Norms serve as guidelines for regulating individual behavior and maintaining social order. They provide predictability and consistency in social interactions, reducing uncertainty and conflict. Violations of norms may result in social disapproval, ostracism, or legal penalties. Social norms are transmitted across generations through socialization processes, including family, education, and media. They reflect the values, beliefs, and traditions of a society and contribute to its cultural identity. Individuals learn social norms through socialization processes, involving exposure to family, peers, schools, and other social institutions. Through observation, instruction, and reinforcement, individuals internalize the norms of their culture. Social norms can emerge spontaneously within social groups as shared expectations evolve over time. Norms may develop in response to collective needs, cultural values, or environmental conditions. Norms are reinforced and perpetuated through social influence mechanisms such as conformity, peer pressure, and social approval. Individuals may conform to norms to gain acceptance, avoid rejection, or align with group identity. Social norms are not static and vary across cultures, subcultures, and historical periods. What's considered normal or acceptable in one context may be deemed deviant or taboo in another. Norms change over time in response to social, cultural, economic, or technological developments. Social movements, globalization, and shifts in societal values can contribute to the evolution or transformation of norms. Norm violations serve as important indicators of the strength and clarity of social norms. When norms are violated, it can lead to social sanctions, conflict, or attempts to redefine or reinforce the norm. Norm violations may challenge existing norms and contribute to social change or innovation. They can also destabilize social order and provoke resistance.